Hey Embroidery Legacy family! Are you looking for a fun and creative way to update your kitchen decor? Well, our new In the Hoop trivet is just what you need. So follow along as we show you how to create a professional trivet that will add the perfect touch to your kitchen decor. So let's gather our supplies and let's get started.
New to embroidery? Expand your collection of embroidery designs with our free Embroidery Legacy Design Kit that includes 7 professional designs, 2 In the Hoop projects, and 2 exclusive mystery designs, a $61 value. Level up your skills and grow your collection today.
The supplies you'll need are a 10 by 10 hoop, 1 piece of center fabric that's 6.5 by 6.5 inches, 1 piece of tab fabric, which will be 2 inches by 4.5 inches, and we're going to fold it in half, 2 pieces of back and banding fabric, 8.5 by 8.5 inches, 1 piece of Insul Bright batting that's going to be 8.5 by 8.5 inches, the matching bobbin for our final satin stitch, water soluble stabilizer, scissors, of course some double curved scissors, and some masking tape. So first we're going to hoop the water soluble stabilizer into our 10 by 10 hoop. Next, we're going to place the hoop into the machine and run the placement stitch for the batting. And lay the batting over the placement stitch. Secure it with some tape. And run the tack down line for the batting. Next, we're going to remove the hoop from the machine and cut the excess batting around the design, and ensure you do not cut into the tack down stitch. Next, we're going to lay the front fabric over the batting and secure it with some tape. Next, we're going to bring the hoop back to the machine and run the tack down stitch for the front fabric. Lay the center fabric over the design and secure it in place using your tape, and run the tack down stitch for the center fabric. Now after the tack down stitch has finished, we're going to remove the hoop from the machine and carefully trim the excess fabric around this design center. Return the hoop to the machine and run the design over the center fabric. Now that the design has finished stitching, remove the hoop from the machine and flip it over. Lay the folded tab in the top left corner of the design. Make sure you overhang the placement line by 1/4 inch and secure it down with some tape. Lay the back fabric over the design and secure it in place with some tape. Then we're going to return the hoop to our machine and run the tack down stitch. Once the tack down stitch has finished, we're going to remove the hoop from the machine and carefully trim the excess fabric around the design. After we're done that, we're going to return the hoop to the machine and run the final satin stitch. Now that the final satin stitch has been completed, we're going to remove the hoop from the machine and the design from the hoop. And we're going to carefully trim the excess stabilizer around the design, leaving roughly 1/4 inch on the design. Remove the remainder of the stabilizer from around the design using your fingers and a warm bowl of water, and just tap it very lightly, and doing this will cause your stabilizer to adhere to the sides of the design. And just like that, your trivet is complete. We hope you've enjoyed this project as much as we did. Be sure to join our Embroidery Legacy Design Club. When you join, you'll get instant access to choose from over 30,000 embroidery designs and exclusive access to In the Hoop projects just like this one. Become an exclusive member today by following the link in the description. Thanks for watching and happy stitching!